Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone. All-ankle, ultra-tough, world Guinness record holder, IP69K water-resistant. Introducing our biggest battery yet, 8,300 milliamp hours, 108-megapixel lossless capture camera with OIS, AI photo editing. Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone.
Itiske team powered by World Sports Betting. Itiske Times co.za linye inqaku iPirates linye kwisiwelele samasokolari kwabeke kuphunculwa intambo libhakaniya okwangoku kulomdyarho wamaqela amabini Orlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns krompa intloko abalandeli beOrlando Pirates bezibuza into yoba ingaba iMamelodi Sundowns izawaphuncula kusini na amanqaku. So boneleke umdlalo nenxakuba yethu umhlalutyi Junior Khanye. What did you think of the game? You were on umhlobo wena this week actually. You're supposed to be fluent in Xhosa. You were being interviewed by Xhosa people. My language is complicated.
Yeah, mfethu ba Thursday bebangicilile ukuthi ngibe ne-hour nabo. For sure it was nice man nabo ay.
Could you understand the language?
Yeah, I know understand. Uyazi masibili yazi football against ukuthi ugcine phela siyathora man nge-football, so you meet different people, international players, you meet South African players, different provinces, and ugcina ufunda
udlale nabo Patrick Mayo.
Yeah, isiXhosa bekasidabula naye. Yeah, and makasidabula I had to understand him, so yeah bengilapha kumhloboneni mfethu Nkululeko and yeah no what a show we had for an hour.
Nice one. Orlando Pirates dropping points. I think it feels important. Yes, there's still 10 matches left. And nathi ke obviously siyayithengisa ukuthi it's a title race. Everyone, SuperSport, SABC, Itiske TV siyayithengisa because we need this drama and we need people to watch the drama.
Yeah.
It feels like they dropped important points. On the other side, the Sundowns masibheka sibamba amakhanda ukuthi it doesn't look like they're going to drop points.
Yeah.
What was your assessment of it?
Yeah, Nkululeko mapride kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise Justo.
Just
Benedict Sofila kazi ngibulise Shane Bobzin.
sir.
Eba fethi kunjani, keep on supporting Itiske TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, amani ngicela ucompliment intwana ezithu from SuperSport, graduated isiqale under 17 ngizibhekile. Ngikhuluma ngalo mfana uMonalisi noNgwado. The one about introduced
in the second half.
In the second half, Lentwana is as we are under 17 in SuperSport. This is we are with TTC now. They just got promoted. Because Utumi, there's a guy called Tumi is coaching TTC. Is a friend of mine. Yalazipol, underrated in
So
South
he was
Africa.
coaching these kids.
He was coaching na Lentwana to Letobela Malomanu Mshishi Beda. So Lentwana is two very talented. It's just to brave girl CM Gubala Hela. Kule game
at 1-1.
Yeah, and CM Yatandu Guyenza riding with Intwana. One thing relationship ngixoxa noSiyema noma ngabe ngixoxa ngiba ne conversation I believe kwintwana more than experienced players angazi special talented players unjalo una this thing ukuthi mina rather rest the experienced player ngifake quality youngster unayo leyo nto leyo so credit to Tumi khona enyawuthi coach iswelele TTC coach was it under 17 super yalazi ball underrated credit to him also credit to CM kuba bravery ukufaka lentwana going to the game I think the game coach Wadu is second half of the season imbuza ama questions and I don't think it's fair is we are waphendula wonke is answering some amanye amdabula by letting uMabaso now it is back so libele sikhuluma ngayo. Also technical team nyazi ukuthi there was nothing that they could do by letting this guy Mbogazi beka need a replacement especially kakhulu. I don't think it works these two center back which is uSibisi no Siyema nanamhlanje futhi angisifeni kaWodo mina but we need to be honest why fixing it if it's not broken why bekumele aqale ngaphandle bringing it undaba going to the game nje yonke. I think uSiyema is lucky first 35 minutes not to concede 2 goals. I need to be realistic. Pirates, they were on top of their game. They in all departments. I mean, very fluid. They were coming in numbers, interchange of position, number passes, getting it right. The goalkeeper was different. I need to be honest. Also, decision making to be in a hurry. Guba equal Sundowns. I think psychologically it plays a major part, especially to certain players go on the Pirates, because Apolis got a chance. The goalkeeper saved him, but shoot kaba ne-rebound angazi why lapha nomfana angatholanga i-target ugoalkeeper ahleli phansi ngikhuluma ngomrimi uyangu-understand also really missing the target ku-penalty spot missed i-target all like yonke i-target ashaye wide ngikhuluma ngale bhola leli lize from the left hand side and missed i-target it tells nge-Pirates ukuthi psychological players I don't think they are prepared to compete bayazi ukuthi i-Sundowns is I think by-equal ngama-point also coach after 35 minutes you panic a coach. You go back now, you tell your players to change their identity. I'm talking about how the team plays. You want the team to play behind the defense with this long ball. You want Siema to have the ball. You want everybody to push if Siema geko or Funusile to play. Predictable now. You want to see frustration as a coach. Now once as a coach, you start as a leader to start panicking. The players will panic now. I mean, to tell the truth, I think Israel has to thank you. No, Siema, I think we risked by putting Usinoka outside that
Mobi
because they were exposed. Njoba mangiti the 35 minutes not to concede central here. You could tell to backpedal sometimes you need to stay on your feet. It's very Bombo is a right wing back. You want to go forward, two-step, this late, two-step, bebam taller court. It's unfortunate Pirates never got it right in Kulmangama pass. You on it first half, Mina. I wish you Jaden Adams, Alende, Mkwena, the wet Pirates today, middle fielders, first half, first 35 minutes. Urile, a police, Mreme as well. Bebazobatola in terms of ngali defense so ngali two center back because they were not even combined. Bebanga combine. You understand? There were gaps here, and the Pirates were pull lama window. Unfortunately, lama overpass. You understand? The goalkeeper well done for him because it's one of the best in the country. Of course, now we are for a goalkeeper. I'm top 5 in the country. It's not a surprising coach. Manga busy league pros leaving other goalkeepers. Where it is ever this guy today. We only see because kulmanga handling, upegi timing, upegi positioning. Yes, mistakes, and sometimes I'm a high school mistake, but to pay recovery. Whereas when the mistake, being a better, whereby a many strikers as figure la, on a scat song, good people look like the first time you wait somebody.
Yeah, they missed many opportunities.
Yes.
I'm remembering the chance you're mentioning now that he's supposed to clear the ball.
Yeah.
Pirates is supposed to score from those moments.
Yeah, and I don't understand why Angamkala Mreme on the left hand side, they dangerous ones. Young understand on the left hand side because first half now, Bianganake indaba mawudlala nge-individual talent you need everybody to function, especially for rely. The best Orlando Pirates need Relem Fuking. Really, when he's on top, Pirates will be on top. Pirates will win games because that boy bring his two-player him alone. The boy today, not himself, I need to be honest. Yes, a police who Paramisandla. And today is, for me, content of man of the mission. Best player, both teams, Kulmanga first half. He's unfortunate he never got the goal. But the guys in Kulmanga were taking somebody on the dropping the shoulder. And the decision making, something else. Break my window. The balance in your win. It's unfortunate na target Cholanga to score the goal. But to record across Jobangisho, he was a different in 35 minutes. O coach Penikela and after 35 minutes, Mabon Guti is Swelele Scott. Mobi Swelele, Nklalingisho Maudlala, a wing back, left or right. Once you goalkeeper pass or center back, once you get phakathi, you're putting yourself under pressure. Open ball in Dava, and then you play ball line. Le ball being a little bit dangerous. Now you want to put the ball inside. And Bambaluina le ball. Ngobu same in time zile bekadlala ngo Mukwani and no Magaman in the middle.
Yeah, in the midfield.
The back four immediately. So they were protecting this back four. Magaman is an energetic player, Nyazo box to box, but today was sitting. No, Mukwane makes so many mistakes. He was not lucky not to concede. In the dangerous areas, Waluza, position vital and Kulmang Mukwane, Bana, Magaman, not much Mapola, but he was sitting static. Nothing that was giving him Venezuela. 4 players, I think, coach to trouble on Begatalang counter attack. He was relying counter attack, which is Opotsane. Vincent Pule, Osaile, and also this guy Ouzi. But Ouzi, not much, no impact, no energy. Look tired. Bambu Isazomaka too much. It's surprising because the play 4 never traveled Orlando Pirates, if I can be honest. But I think Pirates make a mistake. Jobang Ishundaba, Ngena Parat Ngale and then they press him. Baldala Vincent experience, you can tell. Omunye begoba an extra charge awele kulo muntu Siema. Jobang Ishumboga if it was him, La Pagusiema. Bengeke le bhola lidlule phansi kwenyawo le shot liyadlala ugoalkeeper la sokho it was not going to be a goal bekazoyenza sure ukuthi uyamfoul just foul him A professional foul, you get the yellow card for a team, it's okay. Remember, ama-point is vital. You understand? Ngoba lela bhola balishaya makalishaya uVincent wenze ngathi uyangena well done idami right but makalishaya lingena la phansi kwenyawo kuye. To me man flop ngikhuleka because lela bhola even now CBs ke nokuthi le ntwana ezitholakala lapha i1 as experience player where were you? Ngiyazibuza ukuthi where were you ngoba uwe bekumele ngabe lapho pressa lapho I mean second round of the season le ntwana le if you can't lead by example uwe bekumele ngabe uyapressa lapha mara ngoba ile ntwana beyidala ibhola lapho enyaweni good goal from Vincent I think good technique as well wapick a spot and then it complexion game change they start believe this front four yabantu but they never trouble Orlando Pirates ilela ka Owuzwi ebazamile nje ukuthi bamthole watrappa ngamadolo none than that nothing they never many chances.
I don't think they took shots at goal
and then second half was sacrifice the attack wakhipha uSayile which is mina bengibelieve ukuthi bekumele akhipha Owuzwi ayisuSayile central probably and then Muralo good I think kwenze grand ukudlalisa nga three defense central midfielders whereby now he wanted to pack midfield he's leading but limit attack always was tired so Sayile bekazuba running behind the defense you understand second half much better from him because the Pirates second half not much even I can be honest at Orlando Pirates bazamile even uApolisi I think was a bit off
they did miss big opportunities there's a free header got Relebogile Mofokeng
yeah
there's also 1v1 but he offside I'm not sure who got the chance there they did miss opportunities where they should have scored
yeah but if you check second half we talk about the combination play
no, they stopped playing in the midfield.
Yeah, they stopped playing now. And also even kule 35 minutes and the last 15 minutes. Pirates, after Mbata Limala, I think it's where the problem was. Because there was no NH, akunamuntu show up ayo. Ngoba lo mfana we defensive midfield can attack as well. He box to box player as well. Take shot on target. You understand? We decide how pull la mawin. I mean, it's everything for Orlando Pirates. Ma City Engine, we supply manzi, oil, yonkinto. We everything for Orlando Pirates currently. And he has improved not to lose. He's composed sometimes. If it's not necessary, we'll pass. Ayiko necessary. We'll bambi bola. And then wait for the right moment.
You believe the turning point was Mbata's injury?
When he got injured, brave, uye washala. Noma beyanga limpi. But you could tell uye wa reserve. You could tell I think usemu observe ukuthi thing fa kumralo la. So that we dominate in the midfield. And unfortunately, to Maketlini, the game intensity be high for him. Yeah, honestly, now Pirates is not the instruction coach could pass behind. But Maketlini, if this guy is not going to show, Zalana department, I need first 35 minutes morning. Vela Maketlini. He's up his all and the power. So that abo really bagas gul tole nya win. But if our veli bazol tola we any police ball bana bomremi. Muremu korile. But not, he never had the best game. I can be honest with you. Joba ngisho ngithi mawurela ku individual brilliance. You need mangaburela ku four players that they are your individual rely kibo. They need to function four of them in order for you to be on song. But if relay is going to be off, Apolisi yes first half really off, Mreme off, he just got the goal. Except the goal, Mreme take alone let alone a goal. He never been in the game. That's for me. Guy left him corner. I think he was better. According to his strengths.
Yeah.
Aba no la. Whereby woto link ungena langa phakathi. Now this guy didn't know who to pick now. But decision making still. Second in the full shoot. Angas Pirates but why? Ngoba ngiyosibelebele uyenzile. A very opportunity, big opportunity. He wanted to shoot. Ipola. And now it's katse hamba. So le pola really it's unfortunate umfana.
Yeah. That's a free header.
That's why my team was not bengasilanga lapha. Le pola shalapa urile lo ngimaziyo mina beyanga receive no receive even nangenhloko ulihlalile ngenhloko and then abambi drop kick you understand but now because of the pressure ile nto engisho when you play against mawudlala ngeexperience nokudlala ngeintwana ezitalented somewhere uzobonakala you understand ngoba urile is not experienced player I know ukuthi ukhulile akusintwana le ngebhola ngengcondo yebhola but the experienced player put that ball on the goal i-goal.
Yeah.
Because uvula amehlo it's a goal.
We need to wrap it up. Brian Leon scores. If he's not scoring, Ikram Renas comes in and scores.
Yeah.
Yanela Mbotuma doesn't score. If he's not scoring, Makgopa comes in, he doesn't score. And I think as we go to this title race, the differences will show in those kind of departments. On one side, the other team has Brian Leon, they have Ikram Renas. On the other side, the other team has Mbotuma and Makgopa.
Yeah, angithi ngishilo mina like I said different here. The striker. The strikers at Sundowns. We talk about clinical people. Abantu understand the trend sama team abantu that the team, even if the team is not going to play, you are showcased that you've got a goal to him. I mean, this guy, Ryan Leon, he came in, he never scored in 2 games in a row, but he came in where it was matters most. Upegu receive kanjani, lela ball firm from Ununo, finish, done. And then he came in, not good, he played bad. Renas came and scored. Renas scored 2 goals last week. He sits on the bench without any reason, but because of there's another quality. So evident, angesimbali banomutuma kulabo bantu. So clearly it's Orlando Pirates.
You're competing with these other two.
Ngoba kwayena evident kunenkinga zakhe kumele azisolve. The decision making, njengalapha le ball ushuthelana last break Pirates 2v2 2v1. You can't be doing that, and then when you score, people bakushayela izandla. Sometimes we need to look ezinye izinto man. Njengale chance le, you competing, we experience play, you play for Bafana. You are back rater at Orlando Pirates. That's why ngithi mina uMabaso. Nkululeko Mfethu was a big mistake. Ukuthi bamvayise nje manje yavela ukuthi uMabaso was a very important player for them, especially naye lo mfana uMbokazi. Very very big mistake. Also, they try ukukhuluma ngazo akusizo kuphela ku Sundowns. They've kumkwena here. Which is yes, Umbatha can say maybe come close, maybe, but Mkwena is outstanding each and every day. And he give it uhlala green, evergreen. And there's Marcelo Allendes, Jalen Adams, ophakamisa isandla. At Orlando Pirates, umuntu ozomlinka with this guy talent, if he's not going to do it, ubani ozomlinka naye. So important position to Sundowns. Also, Grant Kekana, nalo mfana ukhuluma Ndamani, ubani uNdamani, came there, ofita like a glove. They've got 2 wing back that they are the best in the country, I believe. So each and every position, not best to the depth. No, it's going to be tough, mountain to climb. It's not yet over, honestly.
Yeah, obviously, yeah.
I will be honest to you, because Pirates is the best team now. But the Pirates, they lost this league last year, the same. It was experience against seasoned players. And players who can play, normally you pick them, whether they play in Wydad, in Morocco, in Egypt, they play the same. They don't care who this group. So they used to high-profile games. That's a different. And now, upege bayaz good badla equal ngama point. How they play game, upege badla. They will, they don't lose the identity. They've been patient, but because of the quality, will finish. And then it's done. So yes, it's a marathon still. I got league, but Pirates do some point of vital today. I can be honest to you, very vital. But compliment to CM Mfita. CM is yalazi ball. I mean, students agapito. Yes, I know his students agapito. So the guy yalazi ball. It's unfortunate ukuthi kula ma position anokuba kuma team. I believe he can get this. South Africa can use this guy. And it's a long way to go, especially go South African football. And I just need to keep calm. And to be brave to give these kids a game engine. I compliment to CM Mukbambi Pirates Arena.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. That's Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 1 in the Betway Premiership. It's a dropping of points that if Sundowns wins their game in hand, it's 2-point gap. So with 10 matches left, there's still some points to be dropped. The only thing that's really scary is the fact that the ones in Pitori don't look like dropping points. This doesn't mean that they will not drop any points with the 10 matches left, but they just don't look like dropping points. And when you look at the fixtures as well, for Pirates and for Sundowns, they all are playing, both of them are playing against teams who are weaker than them. You can make the assumption then that Sundowns will probably win out of 10 games. They might win 9. It's up to Orlando Pirates to also win an equal number, because if they win only 8 or 7, then that's where the log will be won and lost. It is Times, we're also sweating.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They're back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.